Hello, I'm Qaisar, and today I'm going to solve ICSE 2025 examination specimen question paper mathematics. I've already started. Today I'm going to solve question number 1 and 3 sub questions MCQs 13, 14 and 15 till 12 already I have done. So today 13, 14 and 15 in this lecture. Alright, so before we start, आइए एक शायर को सुनते हैं. शायर कहता है, आग भड़केगी हवा पाकर बड़ा सच ये नहीं, आग भड़केगी हवा पाकर बड़ा सच ये नहीं, सच बड़ा ये है कि शोलों को हवा दी जाएगी, सच बड़ा ये है कि शोलों को हवा दी जाएगी. आईना हालात का आएगा जो भी देखने, आईना हालात का आएगा जो भी देखने, कोई उम्दा सी गजल उसको सुना दी जाएगी, कोई उम्दा सी गजल उसको सुना दी जाएगी. बोलने पर कोई पाबंदी नहीं, कुछ बोलिए, बोलने पर कोई पाबंदी नहीं, कुछ बोलिए, हाँ मगर आवाज उठेगी दबा दी जाएगी, हाँ मगर आवाज उठेगी दबा दी जाएगी. Thank you. All right. Thirteen sub question, and the question is: the roots of quadratic equation x square minus 1 is equal to 0 are. 4 options are given, and we have to find out which option is correct. The question is, quadratic equation is x square minus 1. X square minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the question. Alright, this is the quadratic equation. So from here you get x square is equal to 1, and therefore x is equal to plus minus 1. Alright, whenever we find out the square root, we write down plus and minus both, and depending upon the situation, sometimes we reject one of the values. But here x is equal to plus minus 1. So the correct option is D option, which is plus minus 1. Clear? Okay. Now the next question, question number 14, and the question is: which of the following equation represents the line equally inclined to the axes? 4 options are given. 4 options are given, and we have to find out which option is correct. Alright. Which of the following equation represents the line equally inclined to the axes? Equally inclined to the axis means the line is making an angle of 45 degree with the x-axis and then with the y-axis also. Alright. Theta should be 45 degree. So if you talk about the first equation, which is 2x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So from here the slope will be m is equal to, slope is how much? There is one formula, shortcut formula, slope is equal to minus the coefficient of x upon the coefficient of y. So the slope we are getting 2 upon 3. Alright, now wait. Let us find out the slope of x minus y is equal to 7. X minus y is equal to 7. So slope m is equal to minus the coefficient of x upon that of y. That means you are getting 1. M is 1 and m is equal to tan theta. So tan theta is equal to 1. That means theta is equal to 45 degree. Alright. That means the line is inclined. The line is making an angle of 45 degree with the x-axis. Therefore, it makes an angle of 45 degree with the y-axis also. Isn't it? Is it? Fine. So, which of the following equation represents a line equally inclined to the axis? So, it must be x minus y is equal to 7 because here we are getting m is equal to 1. That means tan theta is equal to 1. That means tan theta is equal to tan 45. That means theta is equal to 45. Alright. So, this is the answer. Now, why are we rejecting the other two answers? X is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 is a line which is parallel to the y-axis and at a distance of 7 units from the y-axis or from the origin. Alright. And x equal to 7. And y is equal to minus 7 is the equation of a line which is parallel to x-axis. Y is equal to minus 7. Huh? Y is equal to minus 7. Look at it. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Alright. So y is equal to minus 7. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So y, this is the line. Y is equal to minus 7. So y is equal to minus 1 down minus 1 below origin minus. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 7. Y is equal to minus 7 is a line which is parallel to the x-axis and which is at a distance of 7 units from the x-axis below the origin. Alright. So this is not our answer. X is equal to 7 is not our answer. And m is equal to 2 upon 3 is not our answer. X minus y is equal to 7 is our answer. Alright. Fine. So the correct answer is option B, which is x minus y is equal to 7. Directly, if you take this equation and if you find the value of m is equal to 1, that means tan theta is equal to 1, that means theta is equal to 45 degrees, that means this is the answer. You don't have to look for the other options. You got the correct answer. Alright. Fine. So this is answer B, x minus y is equal to 7. Now the next question is 15 sub question, and the question is, given x plus 2 is less than or equal to x upon 3 plus 3 and x is a prime number, the solution set for x is, 4 options are given and we have to find out which option is correct. X plus 2 is less than or equal to x plus 3. X is a prime number. You please remember x is a prime number. Now transpose x upon 3 plus 3. Sorry, x upon 3. Now transpose, bring this x upon 3 from right to the left, it will become minus, and this plus 2 will go from left to right, will become minus 2. So x minus x upon 3 is less than or equal to 3 minus 2. Now x minus x upon 3, 3x minus x, that is 2x upon 3. So we get 2x upon 3 is less than or equal to 1. So from here we get 2x is less than or equal to 3. 3 ones are 3. 2x is less than or equal to 3. That means x is less than or equal to 3 upon 2. That means x is less than or equal to 1 upon 2. X is less than or equal to 1 upon 2. But it is given that x is a prime number. And 1 upon 2 means 1.5. And the smallest prime number is 2 and not 1. Alright. So 1.5 is smaller than 2. The smallest prime number is 2. And this is smaller than 2. Alright. Fine. Because the smallest prime number is 2 and this is 1.5 and you want the values of x which are less than or equal to 1.5 and x has to be a prime number, that means there is no prime number. No prime number is less than 2 and here it is 1.5, 1.5 which is less than 2. That means you are getting a set, the solution set for x is, so the solution set will be, let me explain to you, the solution set will be with no element, right? With no element. You cannot write down 0 here. If you write down 0, then that will become a null set. Alright. But in the option, they have given 5. So either you write down like this or you write down 5. Alright? Null set. 5. Either you write down 5 or you write down like this. This is not given. This is given, but 0 is there. If you write 0 here, then it becomes, there is one element 0. It's not a null set. Alright, whereas ours is a null set. No element we are getting. We are getting no number which is a prime number and less than 2. And here it is 1.5. So we are getting no number. Alright, so our answer is this. Null set. So the null set is written either like this or like this. In the option it's given like this. Alright, so our answer is A5. A5. This is also correct, but this is not given in the option. In the option they have given this, but there 0 is written. Then that is not a null set. Alright, so this is the correct answer. A5 is the correct answer. In this way we complete first question and all the 15 sub questions. Alright, I hope everything is very, very clear. Okay then, thank you so much. Thanks.